नमस्ते। डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक, क्या है ये डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक? क्यों है ये डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक लेना जरूरी है? Let me tell you that detoxification means it is a process of removing the toxins from the body. And when I say 1 glass of detox drink every day on empty stomach, that means you have to flush out the toxins on empty stomach. Okay, with this 1 glass of detox drink. Detox drinks to detoxify these toxins, to remove these toxins away from our body. तो हम बॉडी को बाहर से तो साफ रखते हैं, लेकिन हमारे अंदर के बॉडी पार्ट्स का क्या? कुछ सोचा है? How to clean our internal body parts with this detox drink? So I have introduced the 5 best detox drink recipes only for you, and it is very simple with simple, easily available ingredients, homemade. Okay, so I want you all to watch this entire video. Do not skip the video. Hello, so watch my first recipe on detox drinks. I have taken 1 teaspoon of honey. You can also add 1 tablespoon as per your taste. Maximum you can add 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey to the glass. Okay, so I've taken this warm water and I'm going to add this 1 glass of warm water. And mix it well. Now you have to squeeze a lemon, half a lemon. Let me squeeze this. If you don't like lemon, you can also use the honey water mixture. So instead of honey, water and lemon, if you don't like lemon, you can avoid it. You can only use honey water. Honey should be organic honey, which you can get it in the Ayurvedic stores. Ayurvedic honey is the best. Just mix it well and then you can have it. So this is my first detox drink. So honey is a natural sweetener and has lots of detoxification properties. It helps to detoxify your body and also keeps you, light and fresh and healthy. And this is also good for your skin. So it helps to give you a glowing skin. So this is what I have every day after my yoga. Now the second detox drink is the mint, cucumber and lemon detox drink. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to pour 1 glass of water. So I'll measure this 1 glass of water. You can also fill the complete jar. So I'm going to fill this into the jar like this. Okay, and now take some 10 mint leaves. Okay, I have just taken 10 leaves and added in the water. Now I have taken half cut cucumbers. So I have taken half cucumber, okay, and I have cut it into round slices like this. And now I'm going to add it into this mixture. So this proportion is for 1 glass of water. Remember this. And if you want 2 glasses of water, then you can add the entire cucumber, 1 medium-sized cucumber. Now I'm taking lemon, half cut lemon. I'm going to squeeze it in this mixture. Squeeze it well. Yes. You can also, keep this lemon here. Okay, so you can insert entire thing in the mixture. So I'm going to squeeze the lemon. I have squeezed the lemon and I have dipped it in the mixture. So I have taken this wooden spatula, wooden spoon. इसको मिक्स करते रहना है, मतलब जितना होता है उतना इसको चलाना है. Okay, कंटिन्यूसली 2-3 बार ऐसे स्मैश करना है ताकि उसका क्यूकम्बर का थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर उसमें आ जाए. You can close this lid and keep it aside for 2-3 hours. 2-3 आवर्स पानी को पूरा वो जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो सोक कर देगा, पानी पूरा इसको सोक कर देगा. So the lemon, the nutrients of your lemon, the cucumber and mint leaves will be soaked in the water, and that water you can drink in this glass. Can you see this? The cucumber, the mint leaves and lemon squeezed. Now the third recipe of detox drink is with the cumin seeds and the methi. Yes, so I have taken 1 teaspoon of the methi, that is the fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, so I just added this in my glass, and I'm going to add 1 glass of water. I'm going to add water in this. Okay, and you have to mix it well. And soak this overnight. This is the best recipe for weight loss. Now my next recipe, the fourth recipe, is the ginger, mint leaves and lemon detox drink. So for this you have to take 1 glass of water. Okay, this is my dad's recipe. So now I'm going to take this small piece of ginger, I'm going to smash it, crush it like this. Okay, just you can gently crush it, and once you are done with this crushing, okay, you can add this into the water. Yes, and now you have to squeeze a lemon in it. Okay, I am taking half a lemon for 1 glass of water. Okay, you can take less than half also. You can just squeeze little bit of lemon and few mint leaves, and now just mix it well. Detox drink. And now comes the last recipe, which is the lemon with the mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric. Okay, so I'm going to first add 1 glass of water. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, this is approximately 1 teaspoon. Half cut lemon, squeeze it. And add the mint leaves. And now you can add little bit of turmeric to it. Just like a pinch of turmeric is fine. Just a pinch of turmeric is fine. Okay, and mix it well. Now you will see the yellow color. Best recipes. अभी टॉक्सिन्स क्या है? जो हम दिन भर का खाना खाते हैं या फिर हफ्ते भर में जो भी खाना हमारे पेट में बचता है, जो some foods get easily digested, ठीक है, and some foods which are hard to get digested, वो तो कितने दिन पहले का होता है. Okay, so those foods actually get stuck into our body parts. हमारे intestines में वो stick होता है, वो easily flush out नहीं होता. So that is the reason why we need the detox drinks. Comment below which is the drink which you really love and which you really want to try, or if you have actually started having detox drink, then share your experience with us. Okay? So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my upcoming notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.